Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a gradient background for your pages on LibreOffice Writer. So let us dive into this. So as you can see, I'm on an example document here, and it has this standard white background. So if you'd like to change that and make your paper look gradient, this is how you can do it. Expand the left sidebar here on the right hand side, the right sidebar. And what you want to do is navigate to the page setup here. You may open it also with the shortcut Alt-S. So here under styles, expand it, and you will find the background feature, which is usually set to none. But you may go with gradient or with solid color, pattern, and so on and so forth. I will go with gradient. And here choose your colors. The starting color, like orange. And the destination color will be purple or something like that. And that's how it would look like. So that's how it would look like. So in this case here, guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.